Take 3 of mock interview. Alright, so tell me about yourself. I'm a very diverse person. Uh, I'm also very hardworking when it comes to certain situations that require a lot of probable thinking, and I'm also a very diligent and diverse worker. Um, some information that might be relevant to you is that I used to work at a restaurant as a cashier under a restaurant named New Hong Kong Restaurant. It was a tedious task working there, both handling money and customers' satisfaction. Alright, take 4. What are my weaknesses? Some of my weaknesses are very mellow, which are that I am a visual learner. So when it comes to learning something new and like understanding an objective of a task, I would rather prefer someone doing it first than for me to understand it through what they're doing through their process. So that way I could fully understand how they are doing it, what is they are doing, the process that goes into how they finish strong. But there is another weakness that I think that would be an issue, and I think I could probably solve it, which is procrastinating. Procrastination is another weakness of mine, although I do think that there is a solution to solve it, which consists of just trying to understand how to find another way around the problem, the conflict. Take 6 of mock interview. Alright, why do you want this job? I want this job because I have a lot of hobbies and interest around this job, so that might apply to this job's opportunities and the tasks it requires, from computing, designing, and maybe using my technology skills to fully develop what the job is offering me to do. Plus, it might actually help me evaluate a better understanding of how I might do something better with my skills. Mock interview 13. Do you have any questions for me? I'm doing this question based on the Kip King website. I noticed on your website that there were various amounts of alumni programs, and I wanted to ask a little bit more about that. Could you tell me more about the financial services and or the college prep for the students? I would like to learn more about that due to the circumstances of having a better knowledge of how this might impact the students' growth in development for college prep and finance and for their future. Interview number 12. So tell me about your greatest achievement. My proudest achievement. My proudest achievement had to be when we were in robotics club. And robotics club is basically where students in high school gather up from all grades to build a robot and compete against each other in in a game. It is worldwide, and a lot of people around the world can compete, and it's really good. It's a very social gathering event for people that want to learn about robots from mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, and programming. But I'd say our greatest achievement is the learning process and finishing a robot. Finishing a robot takes a lot of time, from cost, from time, and a lot of management. And I'd say building a robot really consists of a lot of teamwork and a lot of leadership roles and a lot of order and fashionably ordered people. If they're all over the place, it's bad. Sorry. But I'd say completing a robot and actually competing without making any mistakes had to be the best thing that came out on top at the end of the day. Not only that, it made me realize that robotics had a lot of potential for a lot of people, but it also made me expand my ideas and knowledge and my interest on these types of things, from learning about mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, and programming. It made me develop a fathomable interest to these types of situations, and it's really joyful. I really find fun in that.